Freshers in India with zero work experience are getting hired by companies in the US, UK, and Europe. Working from home, getting paid in dollars, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. And there is a bonus tip as well that will make your job search 10x faster. So subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. First, let's talk about the three types of remote work. For that, I have divided them into three categories. I will show you the platforms and the earnings for each one on the screen. First category is freelancing. This is the easiest way to start earning in dollars. Instead of working one full-time job, you work with multiple international clients and get paid per project or per hour basis. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are built exactly for this. On the screen, you can see the average pay and top companies hiring freelancers. Second category is remote internship or part-time roles. This is the best starting point if you are a student or recent graduate. You have fixed working hours and get structured experience and receive a monthly stipend in dollars. Platforms like Internshala has 100 plus specially curated international internships. Some of the top companies hiring interns remotely include Amazon, Apple, Yelp. You can see their average stipends on the screen. And the third category is full-time remote jobs. These are regular jobs, but they are work from home with international companies. And the pay is usually much higher than the Indian firms. And many top companies like Atlassian, Automated, Airbnb, GitLab are fully remote and hire freshers from all over the world. And the average salaries are shown on the screen. I have already covered how to get a job at these companies in my previous video on the channel. So do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, what specific jobs can you actually do? For that, I have divided dollar-paying remote jobs into three categories. And there is a bonus category at the end that most people overlook. So the first category here is non-technical roles. These jobs are the easiest to start with as there is no coding required. Every company in the world needs content marketing and an online presence, and the list is on the screen. Top companies hiring for these roles are Canva, Salesforce, Booking.com, Zoom, and HubSpot. You can earn $100 to $200 per month in internships and $5 to $30 per hour in freelance roles. That's roughly rupees 5,000 to 20,000 per month to start with within a few months, and many people move to rupees 20,000 to 80,000 per month. Second category is technical roles. The demand for tech roles is so high that even freshers with good projects can easily land jobs paying up to $40 to $80 per hour. And you can see the top roles on the screen. And the companies that hire for these roles are GitLab, Atlassian, Automated, Airbnb, and Stripe. Third, finally, we have our bonus category, that is no experience roles. These roles don't require any portfolio, just a strong attention to detail and basic communication skills. Some of the top jobs in this category are on the screen. For example, companies like Amazon hire you to provide chat support to their customers, or Netflix hires people to watch their shows and review them or tag them into categories. You can easily earn anywhere between $10 to $50 an hour for these jobs. Now I will show you exactly where to find these roles in the next section, so keep watching. In the last section, I will show you how to find these roles and apply to them. But before that, let me cover a very important point, that is how to build a portfolio with zero experience. For that, you can create spec work. This is a sample work you create for yourself to prove that you can do the job. For example, if you are applying for a job of a writer, then write 3 to 4 blogs and publish on Medium or Substack. If you are a developer, then build small projects and upload to GitHub. Or if you are a designer, then create dummy brand posts, thumbnails, or UI designs and upload on Behance or Dribbble. This portfolio will get you your first opportunity with international employers, and it is the fastest way to go from zero experience to hired. Now let me talk about the most important part, is where to find and apply for these jobs that pay you in dollars. First, do not start with highly competitive global platforms. Start where companies are already open to hiring freshers. Platforms like Internshala, LinkedIn, and Angels List are beginner-friendly and offer internships, part-time jobs, and full-time fresher jobs. On Internshala itself, you will find 100 plus specially curated internships and jobs for students and freshers with companies in Dubai, New York, and Singapore. For freelancing opportunities, consider using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. And for remote jobs in USA, check out the platforms like Shag, WayUp, or Startuppers. For jobs in Europe, you can explore opportunities on platforms like Euro.job, and more list is on the screen you can see. Now, instead of waiting for job post, you can try cold reach, which is messaging the business or founder directly. And here's the exact prompt that you can use with any AI tool to write a cold outreach message. Now, here's the bonus tip. The 3 things that will make your job search 10x faster. The tip 1 is write a strong proposal. For freelance jobs, client will ask for a proposal, which is basically a cover letter. And I have covered that how to write one in my previous videos, so you can check them out. Tip 2 is the Google hack. Many top companies host job pages on specific systems like Greenhouse. You can find these directly by typing this on Google. And third, use AI tools like Final Round AI to upload your resume, and it will automatically matches you with relevant remote jobs. So no more scrolling through 200 listings. And that's everything you need to know about getting a remote job that pays you in dollar. And if you found this video useful, give this video a like. It will genuinely help the channel. And subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every week. And if you want daily job updates from us, comment daily alerts below. We will send you the link to join Internshala WhatsApp community channel. I will see you in the next one. Until then, all the best.